Alright guys, just a quick review. We bought a Freeman nail gun kit. We had some rotten wood in the corner that we needed to put up and do. Replace some spots to scab in. We've only been using the framer so far and it works amazing. So we're hoping the finisher and the stapler and the brad nailer work just as good. But so far, it's like 200 bucks. This is worth it in itself. Got a bunch of little tools, spare parts, oiler, you know, to oil it and whatnot. But yeah, this is the kit. Comes in a big bag to carry everything. I'll put the link in the description below. Peace.